Raspberry Pi 3 Model B Starter Kit. Didn't get it online, got it at Memory Express. Heard that from LTT, Lions Tech Tips, about Memory Express. So I would check it out my local one in town here, or in the city I am. If you don't have online capabilities, you can't get online. You can get a Raspberry Pi at Memory Express if you're in Canada and if you have a Memory Express near you. So I'm going to look at it, unbox it, find out what it's all about. Why do people make videos about it? And how to get the operating system started and all that. This one comes with a case here. Comes with a power supply, the operating system, and all the stuff you see here. We're talking about pictures here. I took some pictures for the Raspberry Pi and put them online, before them, just to see what it looked like beforehand, before I did a video on it. Now I got a video. Here's the rest of the unboxing. Okay, let's see what's inside. See what's inside there? You see the power supply, SD card, Raspberry Pi 3, the case, and some, I don't know, operating system instructions. Let's drop the box. See? This one comes from Element14, element14.com. This is wireless LAN and Bluetooth. Comes with a case. See, it has airs on the side. Got to take it off the wrapper. And it has its own barcode, because I think this one you can get by itself. Same with this one, you can get by itself also. This one's 5.1 volts at 2.5 amps micro USB switching AC power supply. Highly regulated power supply. Extremely high efficiency, over 80%. 4 feet cord and micro USB connected with strain relief. And it's on mcmelectronics.com. It tells you all, if you want to, you can pause and read the rest on the back here. That's what that has. And it has a little cardboard, a little cardstock. It shows you the newegg.com stuff here. Download the complete starter guide now. Raspberry Pi. And if you go on the back side, it tells you it shows you everything else. If you don't have line capabilities, you can buy this at, like I said, Memory Express. And if you don't have the online capabilities, so you live in a country outside a major city, you live in sticks someplace, you go to your local library and you can get Raspberry Pi books at the local library. And here comes with some static shielding bag for the SD card, micro SD card. And here's the adapter for the micro SD card, a full SD card size. See? Now let's take the box away. It's a cool box. Keep it because you can use it for something else. Okay, first thing we're going to open is this here. Find out what this bad boy does. Aha. It's got instructions, I think. See? Raspberry Pi safety instructions and quick start guide. Probably in English, French, and a couple other languages. Please retain this information for further references. If you want to know, just go online. It's probably like 1 billion It's probably like a million or billion YouTube videos of Raspberry Pi. That stuff you keep. You put this stuff here. If you want to read more, keep in your box. Next thing is the power supply. Let's look at it. Aha! Comes with plastic. Keep the box because you never know. Might be information on it that you can use it for something else. Micro USB A type, it says down at the bottom. Put that in the box. See? You don't have to unravel it. Just plug it into your power supply. And then plug this in. And you could probably use the same one you got from your cell phone if you got a Samsung or a Pixel 2 or Pixel 1 or Pixel 2 or your other stuff like that has this kind. That has, you know, that kind. You probably have like a billion cords of this. Okay, here's the bag. Next thing you open, here's the case. How are we gonna get the case open? Oh no. Oh no. Just, how are we gonna get the case open? The case is the hard part to get open. Not really. Actually, it is. You need a knife or a screwdriver or something. Which I have someplace. Screw. Use a pencil. And then aha. I thought this thing was a little bit bigger. When you look online, see, here's my hand. That's how big the case is. Okay, referencing. It's an SD card holder, see? And a Bluetooth speaker. See how big the case is? This stuff, you can see the silver guards, recycle, do whatever. And then there's this here. Open up. Aha, see? All the YouTube videos I looked at, this thing looks like giant. It's got the Broadcom chip here. It's got another chip here. Full HDMI. The power supply. The audio. The camera module. GPIO pins here. 2 USB 2.0 and Ethernet plug in. It's got standoffs in case you want to put something else into this thing. And on the back side, another chip. I don't know what kind of chip that is. Got here the another QR code. The SD card goes there. Got a few other things. And no other stuff. Yeah. When you look at this, when people talk about, oh, we look bigger and got this here. I don't know what this is. I have no clue what half this stuff is because I'm not a Raspberry Pi guy. First time I have one. And it's got all this other stuff here, writing, whatever it says. And then open this stuff up. Oh no. This hard plastic. I do have stuff around here someplace. Aha, got it open. Open this up. See? Oh, this is for when you connect to your laptop to put the operating system on. That's what that's for. It's for your operating system on your laptop. You put it in, you add some kind of imaging software. I don't know what the heck. And then there's this bag. Look at the way they put it. Sideways here. And an angle. That's how they sealed it. You can tell someone did this. Be back. Gotta get a knife. Okay, knife, pocket knife. Got scissors someplace around here, don't know where they are. See? Get it open. Answer is 9% yes. They're using a SanDisk 16 gigabyte, the high capacity one. So we throw it into here. Aha, upside down. I think. Wait. Or is it this way? There. See? It's upside down. Okay. To get this running, I have to adjust my computer, do a bunch of other stuff, and then connect this to the HDMI port on my thing here, my little adapter, to use my VJ monitor. Why? Because it's all I have. Find out if this works. Well, I'm going to sign off now and get back to you in the next video. So that's what it looks like when you unbox something.